hints on these starting from the back. If you got it on iTunes you can draw. 36 and 37 are easier if you can draw on there, because it tells us here the distance between East 33rd, which is right here, and East 24th. This is a map of New York, on 5th Avenue. That distance is 2,600 feet. The distance between those same streets on Broadway, so right here, I should do that on the other side, is 20, this one's 26. This one is 2,800. Yellow. Yeah. Okay. So when you draw this in, you got to draw in these streets. What it makes is parallel lines. East 24th and 29th. On 5th Avenue, it's 1,300. So they're wondering, what is it on Broadway? So the piece to the piece equals the piece to the piece. Does that make sense?
No.
Since these streets are parallel, these are proportional. So this length to this length is going to be proportional or equal this length to that length.
Oh, I get it now.
Now 34 is a tricky one. You got to find a whole bunch of missing things. You got to find A, B, G, J, H, J,
Yes.
F, J, and B, C.
AH?
No, just each individual piece that's missing.
Okay.
So you got to do it first. You got to find this. This to this equals that to that. Then what you could do, once you know what that is, you could find this piece. This to this equals that to that. And then you could find this piece. This to this equals that to that. So those are the easy ones. It's just here to here equals here to here, whatever you're finding. But when you're doing like here, you'd use that 10.8 to x equals, this is the side of this whole thing. So you got to add these together. The whole side, and then x is here, so it's the 8. Then when you do this, you got to do the same thing. This to the x equals this whole side to 8. And then this to x, because now you know what it is, equals this whole side to 8. So you got to find this one before you can find that one and that one. This will be the last one you find.
Okay.
Okay, but the first ones are just yes or no. To tell whether or not the two lines are parallel, you just got to see if it's proportional. Does 16 over 8 equal 4 over 2?
Yes.
Yes, it does.